You can add your core domain in FlexiFunnels and use it for your pages. So instead of, let's suppose you don't just want to use any subdomain of yours, let's say www.saurabhbhatnagar.com, right? You want to use the complete domain, just saurabhbhatnagar.com, for hosting your pages, right? So that is something that you can do with the A record settings. Now let me show you. What you need to do is you need to go to the domains. This Cobra craze, this is all the fun taken by my team. Anyways, you need to go over here, and let's suppose I'm going to do the settings for one of my domains, which is a test domain, hficpune.xyz. So I have gone inside the DNS settings of this particular domain, right? So earlier I had used the CNAME, like we have instructed, and with the help of the CNAME you can use any subdomain of your domain inside FlexiFunnels, right? But now, to be able to use the main domain, what you need to do is simply add this entire domain, HFIC, whatever your domain is, right over here. Do you see? I added the full domain. And over here, it gives me the instruction to add the A record @ to this particular IP address. Alright. So I need to come over here, click on edit, @ but instead of this, I need to put the value. So wherever your A record settings are, just ensure that the name is @ and the value is this. And then you click on save. Alright, so it will take a few minutes, a bit more time, as it is, as it is saying right over here. It might take up to 48 hours. So totally dependent upon the DNS propagation. But whenever the DNS is propagated, so DNS propagation means that the IP address that you have changed, so the A record needs to get updated. You don't have to do anything, but I'm just explaining, right? So whenever it is done, what you need to do is you need to click on verify. Whenever it's done, it will be verified right over here. It will be completely automatic. You don't have to worry about it. You can check over here in some time, maybe after 1 hour, maybe after 5 minutes, maybe after, let's say, 1 day, and you will see that this particular domain has been verified. Totally dependent upon the fact that how much time your platform from where you have purchased the domain is taking to propagate the IP address. Alright, it has nothing to do with us. So in my case it is GoDaddy, in your case it can be any other platform. So how much time they take to update the IP address to their A record of that particular domain. So based on that, we will be able to verify it, and whenever it's verified, you will be able to use your domain for your pages. The other instructions to use the domain for your pages remains the same way, right? So you will be able to edit right over here. Let's suppose once you have added the domain, let's say if you want to add the home page, you can simply do that by using any home page right over here, any other page of yours, by selecting it as a home page. And then let's say you want to use any particular domain as a okay, this is secured already, so this is done, right? This is already added. Let's see, what do we see right over here. So if you will see that we already have our some content over here, and if I click on edit, by the way, the SSL will be coming over here, so it will be automatic. You don't have to worry about it. And then let's suppose I want to let's say add this page over here, just a quick thing, not as a proper home page, but yeah, just for the demo purpose. So after some time, this particular, let me try and refresh. Let's see if it can be done. If it is done right now, otherwise it will take some time. And in your home page, it will, do you see that this has started changing? Let me refresh it again. And in the home page, it will start showing this particular content. And if you will, if you want to use this particular page in any project of yours, this particular domain in any project of yours, you simply need to go to the project settings, go to edit, and then inside the project settings, you need to go to the general settings, select the domain that you want to add over here, right? For example, I want to use this particular domain in this particular project, and now all the pages will start loading in this particular domain right over here, right? Let me just have a final check. I mean, you have got the idea, right? Yeah, so it will take some time, some 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes for the home page to appear right over here, and for the SSL to get added, and then that's how you will be able to use your core domain. Do you see there is no subdomain over here? Your core domain inside FlexiFunnels. Got it? Let's also check this whether this has propagated over here or not. Yeah, so if you will notice that the pages have started coming on this particular domain. So this is how you can use the core domain for all the pages. The SSL will be done, as I said, within 5 to 10 minutes. It will be fully automatic, and that's how you'll be able to use your pages as well. Alright, so yeah, cool feature, right?